right, let's go.
We're going.
So, yes, very nice. She's teaching me to dance. She's teaching me the waltz. No?
Oh, I got one for you.
We're gonna samba?
When this is good, I got one for you.
All right. Now what's remarkable is she just came out of surgery 3 hours ago, and she's getting ready to leave, and we're dancing. And what did you have done?
You tell me.
She had a fusion, L344551 with screws and rods. And look, how you feeling?
I'm feeling really good, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome, dear. You're welcome. And how's your legs feel?
They feel good.
No pain down your legs?
No.
All
I
right.
never even thought about that, but no.
Pain is gone in the
No
legs. And I want to show you something. Go ahead and turn for our guests right here. Let me show them your little ornament, your Christmas ornament.
I gotta empty that.
This is
Hold
a
up.
JP drain. She's doing fantastic. 3 hours after surgery, ready to go, and dancing. All right.